If you've been told by someone that you should use one of these, you gotta watch this video. Hi, I'm Dr. Gregg Gerstin with Align Wellness Center, and I've been helping people to remove the blockages in their health for the last 20 years to lead amazing, fantastic lives through natural means, without drugs or surgery. Now, if you're wondering, first off, what this thing is, this is called a Cervical Denneroll. This is a tool that's got a number of different dual control placebo trials on it in helping people to overcome health issues like vertigo, dizziness, migraines, cervical disc injuries, numbness and tingling in their arm as well as their lower back, and chronic fatigue syndrome. Now, the challenge with this is that it's not right for everybody. And another challenge with this is that you've got to place it right, because placing this in the wrong position can wind up causing more damage than good. So if you have one of these and you've received it from your chiropractor or from someone, you got to make sure that they teach you how to use it right. You see, I just got a message from someone and they were excited that they just got their Denneroll, but they asked me then a list of questions that really they should have had answered by the provider of their Denneroll. If the person doesn't have the ability to wind up providing you with those answers, you got to connect with them too. Because as much as I'd love to be able to give this person the right answers, I don't know everything about her, and I don't know if this fits her right. So if you've got questions about a tool like this, we've got to go back to the provider that recommended them for you. If you don't know them or you haven't seen them in forever, then we've got to connect you with someone who does know how to use these. If you need help with finding someone, go ahead and write in the comments down below so that we can connect you with the right people who know how to use this and prescribe this and can help you use it for your best ability. Once again, my name is Dr. Gregg Gerstin, and thank you for letting me be a part of your health.